welcome back guys no? Same lang yung mga video ko na pinapatagas nila. Kaya part 2 yan, easy lang ito boy, easy. Ayan, parang easy nagbalas pa. Ayan. Sabit na nyo naman dyan. Huh? What did you say? Oh my gosh. Hi, what is going on? Ha ha ha. What do you mean? About? Ano kaya sinabi niya? Gusto? Bakit kayo pupunta dyan, boy? Ay, grabe. Pakalag ko talaga. Guys, kung hindi na talaga tayo nag-charge. Ano ba yan? We need to walk again. Or walk. Okay guys, parang dito maganda. Not pretty good. Well guys, kung gano'n pa pagkagawin natin, may naka-recharge. At basta tayo. Wala na tayong may kakawa eh. Hindi lumabas. Guys, mahirap gumawa ng video na ganito ah. Pupuyat din lang. Mag-subscribe talaga. Kawawa yung Kuya Emmanuel niya dyan. Nowhere to find. Oh, making me lagging. Baka nag-chat pa si What the? Oh no guys, no, don't finish up. Oh my gosh. Iniwala na ako. If I get the good seeder, the good sprinkler, I'm not gonna buy. Shaking. Oh yep, I know that. The cookie storage under there. I'm not lagging this. It's real. No. Fuck you pa. Pang level ng pet. I got it. Yes. If I feed this good boy, feed that, I cannot feed them. Let's go. Lemon space. Lemon sense. I get subscribe guys ko. Crazy to event din to. Pero mas crazy yung dati no. What is going on? Give me luck. Laki na. Bakit naman? Oh shit, Bakit kaya pala mabilis ang takbo natin din? What? Wait, what? Si Jandel guys, kaya niya na i-control yung itlog. Guys, I can't not lie para ako naubusan ng pera. No bro, no seed. But we have good some level pet no? May watak. You shut up. Okay, shut up. Oh, I know that. Ayan guys, oh. Fine. Oh, no. Mr. Sprinkler. Wait, tanga. Wala mo dyan din. Papalayas mo ako. Tignan lang natin dyan din. Oh yeah, baby. Chicken jockey. Chicken jong. Baka na yan. Teka, what do you mean? Candy Blossom. What? How do you? Nah, that's a liar. That's a liar, Brokey. Oh, what is this? Is this a new update? This is so making me fuss. Bro, how did you get that? Sana guys i-update niyo diba magti-trade ka dito, i-trade mo yung like fruit tapos isa sa ilalagay mo raw my inventory. Sige guys, basahin nyo na, madawin naman magpasin. Guys, I cannot believe this. How she get the Candy Blossom? I'm telling the truth, and this is the real grow a garden. Then how she get the freaking no, is that mine? I'm so many burning. Yeah, that's not that. What the sino lumalagpas na ng what the? Parang yun? Okay, that's me. This is the jacket me. What the? Really, what? It's actually mine. Really, what? That's not it. Wait, Please sit down. Just sit down. Yep, I know that. I think it's already to the bad thing. I don't think na it. Lumayo ka rin. What the? Dude, I'm toasted. Toasted na ako. Ano nangyari sa bullet ko? Kailangan ko mag-rested. Ay na, nangyari pala. Ito nakikita. Oh, so what? Basahin mo ito guys. Basahin mo. Like and subscribe. Boom. That's so making me hour. Yan guys, nabasa nyo na. Use that sprinkler! Oh my gosh. That's mine too. Let's have to like. Yep, I have to. Bro, my burning bodies. What? Oh, that's definitely my burning bud. They are growing and growing so big. How? Oh. Saan nyo nga guys? Wow. Baka si Denden maglagay dito ng ano to guys? Grandmaster. Hindi rin magpasok ng tayo. Okay guys, what is going on? Magbibigay ng part 3. So, ano raw? Okay. Let me some... Huh? What did you say? Guys, nakikita niyo ba to? Para kung bumilis. Huh? What the? No. Huh? Where? Guys, hindi ko maintindihan eh. No, not here. It's there. Huh? Oh, carrot. Like carrot? What the? What is going on? I don't care. Saan ba guys? Nabibili ko pala ito. Hindi ko alam guys. Stop buying it. I have so many. Ano nangyari na dun? Wala pa. No daw. Sana guys. Sana all magaganda. I can't block. I cannot understand this call. And guys, mag-antay ulit kayo ng part 3. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.